Hi everyone, so for today's quick video I'm just going to show you my little elf shoe cutting file. So I designed this and originally I was going to make it into a mini book, but for today I'm just going to make it into a tag, but I'll show you how you can turn it into a mini book. So I've cut the elements, it's really simple. So in the cutting file you get all 5 elements. So you get the base layer for the shoe and a matting layer, and then the base layer for the cuff and a matting layer, and then you get this bit which you can use to make the spine for a mini album. So basically this is pre-cut for you and it's got a fold line in it. You would just fold it in half, glue it together like so, and then you would attach it to your album wherever you want like this, and then that would create your pages for your album. And then obviously you can fasten this with book rings or with ribbon or any other kind of fastening that you want to. As I say, I'm just going to use this as a tag, so I'm just going to put some glue on this layer, and I've cut the base layer for both in a green mirror card, and then I'm using some pattern paper for the shoe for the matting layer, and then for the cuff I've just used a piece of plain red and I've just inked around the edge just to give it a little bit of shading. I'm not sure how well you'll see it on there, but it is there. And these are going to go together really quickly. Obviously you don't have to use mirror card, you can use whatever you want. I'm going to put some 3D foam on the back of this. So this is going to stick on here, and I've purposely made it ever so slightly bigger on the width so that it overhangs nicely. So I'm just going to put some 3D foam on here. Again, you don't have to do this, you could stick it down flat if you want to. Bring this towards me a little bit so I can see it better, and then just line up the top like so. As I say, if you want to turn it into a mini album, you could glue that on the back of there, or before you stick these two bits together you could slide it over your base piece and then put your pattern paper over the top of it. It's entirely up to you, but then you would cut as many pages as you want, and then you'd fasten them all together and it would just turn over like so. And obviously if you cut your pattern paper in reverse, you could cover this up and you wouldn't see that. Or like I say, if you put it in between these two layers before you stick it together, then it's going to be hidden in there as well. But I'm just going to make mine, as I say, into a tag today. So then from here it's a case of, do you want to decorate this up? Do you want to add anything else to it? I might put a few sequins on the bottom. Okay, so there it is. I'm not sure how well you'll see the little red rhinestones on the end, but I'm going to keep it quite simple. And then I'm just going to punch a hole in this top corner. I'm going to use my crocodile because it'll go through all the layers. And there's another one of my little tags that's going to go on my Christmas presents. But as I say, you could turn it into a mini album if you want to. It's entirely up to you. Anyway, you'll find the cutting file here on my website. It's under the ScanNCut cutting tab. If there isn't an SVG and you want it in SVG format, just send me a message through the contact page on my website. I will convert it into an SVG cutting file as well. Anyway, that's today's quick video. I hope you like it. Please give the video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you don't already do so, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.